So to replace the IPDM, you gotta take the battery first. This one is 10. This one just come out, and then this one in 10 like this. You see this one? So in 10, and then ta. So to disconnect the IPDM, you got to disconnect the battery first, just to avoid any electrical issues. This one have an electrical problem, so we have a clip, you see. Sometimes it's so hard because I don't want to come out. I don't have. This one is the power supply. The power supply. This one additional. And then this one doesn't want to. Oh. It's very hard to take that. On this one, I think, oh yeah, it was like this. This is a clip here, and then just come like this, one, and come like that. A bit. So this one is to the left, and this one to the right. Just not confused. And then this little one doesn't want to go off. Well, what's going on there? I'm just gonna use this. Oh, there it goes. You gotta make pressure, you see. And then these on clips, everything is clips. So this IPDM seems broken. Something this inside is many electrical components, resistor, and another one that I read about it, but I know expertise of that. But I mean, I could read more even. It's some metal, some is the electrical components inside. Sometimes that get bad. So even if it look fine, I just check the fuse one by one. Probably it's inside, so let me take that off. Okay. So just a moment. So I need just 2 hands. So this is the IPDM